Email's been around for what seems like forever, but for many, there's still a good deal of uncertainty that surrounds it. Well, today we're going to address some of that by figuring out just how valuable a subscriber is anyway. Unlike other channels such as social media, there's a certain feeling that comes over people when they hit send on a mass email to their customer list. That feeling is usually dread, because what if they don't like it? What if they unsubscribe? What if there's a typo and they judge me? Well, before you break into a sweat about email, let's spend a little time walking through how to determine the value of a subscriber in the first place to see just how worried you should be. The first thing you'll want to do is determine how many active email subscribers you have, removing any subscribers from your list that have either bounced or are just really old. Next, you'll want to estimate your sales from email. Now, depending on your business model, this could be a lot trickier to do. Ideally, if you can't track direct sales, you want to look at any promo code use, an increase in sales from products or services during the time that they were featured in your email, or just the average overall bump in sales after an email campaign has been sent. Now, once you've identified sales for a given period, let's say 12 months, the math's going to look a little bit like this. So let's say we've estimated that there's about 5 million sales over a 12-month period, and within that 12 months, we had 500,000 email subscribers. And so some simple division on that is $10 a subscriber. Now, once you have your annual value per subscriber, you can begin to estimate the lifetime value of a subscriber by looking at the size and time between their first and last purchases, assuming you keep track of that data. Now, knowing the value of a subscriber should help you understand how much of your marketing budget you should be allocating to growing your list and whether it's currently an effective channel for you. If you have a really low subscriber value, try to consider how a change to your list, content, or cadence could help improve it, and then track that number as you go. If you found this video helpful or just plain calming, we'd value a thumbs up from you below and encourage you to subscribe to our channel, where a brand new ad math video will be released each and every week. And if you have a marketing metric that you'd like us to break down in an upcoming video, let us know by adding it in the comments.